Everybody shut up. I'm watching the fishing technician.
And maybe some flounder too, and some speckled trout. Hey, what's up, everybody? So in this episode, you will be seeing me trying to paddle as fast as I can to get on the school of redfish. So in this episode, I only show one of the 3 schools of reds that I encountered this day. It was very exciting, very thrilling to get on these schools because you don't see it as very often. And sometimes, you get too excited, you don't know what to do, but I was able to manage and get my lure out there. Instant hookup again. When these redfish are hungry, they'll bite anything. I could probably put a hot Cheeto on a jig head and they'll chomp on it. Now these redfish are like me. When they're hungry, you better get out my way because I'll bite you too. Here I'm using the voodoo shrimp again. And I recently started using it. And I don't know why I hadn't used it before. Because it's pretty good. This specific model has a tiny glass tube with some bearings in it, which acts like a rattle and makes a clicking, ticking sound, just like a fling shrimp. It almost feels like cheating, and of course I paired it up with the shrimp flavored Procured.
Hey dog, hold up. Dang, you got me real good. Man, hold up. Let me ask you this question, bud. Where the gold at, though?
Relax there, bud. Come out the water real quick so I can take a good look at you. I just want to take some pictures, and maybe, just maybe, if you're above 20, I'll let you chill in my cooler. And then I'll take you home and fillet you, and then, if you act right, I'll give you a nice hot bath and some butter. Man, look at this fool over here splashing around like it's a kiddie pool, acting like he ain't gonna come home with daddy. I don't think this will ever get old. Just landing that fish on your kayak, just being out there on your kayak, enjoying God's creation all around you, away from all the noise, all the stress, just you and your kayak.